How to log into your Godaddy account. Whether you need to manage your domains, hosting services, or other account features, logging in is the first step. Here's how you can log in into your Godaddy account. Start by opening your web browser and navigate to Godaddy's official website. On the Godaddy homepage, look for the sign in button. This is usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Now you'll be directed to the login page. Enter your Godaddy username or customer number and your password in the appropriate fields. After entering your details, click the sign in button to access your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to enter the verification code sent to your email or mobile device. Enter the code to complete the login process. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Godaddy account dashboard where you can manage your domains, hosting, and other services. And that's it, you've successfully logged into your Godaddy account.